So I had a 25-minute conversation with Jamie and Jason, and Jamie is the marketing head, and Jason is the founder of Continuum Works. So he had called me today to take inputs because I am a freelancer. So he asked my experience from the past 1 year and how I am managing things, how I am recording stuff. I just explained him my interest regarding freelancing, and I also told him about why I do freelancing and the areas I work as a freelancer, what are the challenges I face as a freelancer. So these are the things I discussed with Jason, and yeah, if you don't know Continuum, it's a freelance marketplace. Not exactly freelance marketplace. It's a like community of freelance, which I think it won't charge you anything. It has a freemium model. Like if I take example of Fiverr takes 20% commission from every seller on whatever seller gets. Fiverr gets 20%, but I think Continuum is not like that. Continuum and Contra are a freelancing platform which don't charge you anything. They make money through charging for their subscription service, where they offer some extra services for freelancers. That's what I think, and the conversation was great. I felt honored to meet the CEO of that. It was a 25-minute call, but we ended it early. Apart from that, today was my first paid session of Clappingo English speaking class, and today in that session I had a conversation with Megha Nayak. She is from South India who moved to Mysore, and like in Clappingo, even she felt it very good to have a conversation with someone from Mangalore, because even I am from Mangalore, and that's why I chose her as a Clappingo teacher, and she helped me correct my English to some extent. And tomorrow I will have another session with her, and I have chose many other tutor for my speaking English, and I am so excited for that. And apart from that, I had another victory for the day. I have invited Komal Ahuja. You might be knowing her if you know Shreya Pattar, because Komal Ahuja is also a famous copywriter, and I've been following her from about 20 days or so. uh, like I found her on Shreya Pattar's LinkedIn posts, I guess, and she's a great copywriter, and she makes beautiful reels, and it's very insightful, and that's how I thought to ask her to be a guest on my podcast, and she accepted, and that's a victory for me, and I'm so grateful for her. And apart from that, for the next 100 days, mark my words, for the next 100 days I am doing some kind of writing challenge. It As a SEO writer, it's very important. Not only as a SEO writer, as a freelancer, you have to keep up to date with the skills. So I thought for the coming 100 days, I will be learning one SEO or content writing tip every single day, and posting on LinkedIn and Twitter at the same time. One post every day for the coming 100 days. So from tomorrow it starts. Apart from that, I had two painful customers who were very painful to me to handle, and I couldn't even get rid of them, because in the past they were my good clients, and suddenly they were irritating me a lot, and yeah, it was a bit bad experience. I had promised what I had to deliver, but they are over expecting. They want me to be in touch of them every single time, and yeah, that, and even if I respond a hour later, they they didn't like that. They wanted immediate response, and yeah, as a if you are a freelancer, you might be knowing these kind of struggles. So yeah, I dealt with them to some extent, and after these clients get closed, I will be very careful in choosing further clients, because I hate such clients. So apart from that, Clappingo is a platform where if you want to post that video on YouTube or somewhere on the social media, you have to take their prior permission, and it's a long process. If you post a video in their platform, they will take 3 days to approve it. So one of my video was approved and I posted it today. You might be knowing it. You can check out in below this video. And today I will also be completing my DDIP Digital Deepak internship program. First assignment I will be finishing today and submitting, and I will get 500 rupees cashback for that. And it's the thing I liked about DDIP internship is you can earn while you learn. That is the slogan, I guess they are sticking into, and it's a great thing. And you all might be knowing that guy by the name Digital Deepak. If you don't know, you can check out. And this internship program will be a life changing one, because just by completing week 1 video and assignment, it was a crazy thing. And also I'm getting 500 rupees just for studying that. And apart from that, I've been working as a customer manager in Select like Swastik, and it's awesome to see their challenges. It's very fun actually, to be very honest. I really enjoy working with the CEO like Swastik Nandakumar. He's been my inspiration, and he posts daily, and the struggles he goes daily makes me to work more, and that's what I admire about him. And apart from that, to sum up everything, I also had a call with my best friend. She's a school time best friend, and it was a great conversation. And yeah, that's about it. And that's how my day ended. So this is daily vlog 3. So document versus create. I hope you enjoyed it. By following my channel, you can see daily progress. Thank you for watching.